Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are going to go for a nature walk. I'm about to pick up Cindy. It's currently about 10:30 in the morning. We decided we're going to bring you guys with. So here we go. We'll start the day.
Can you unlock it? It's cold.
No,
Fire?
Here we go. Alright guys, so this is our first stop of the day. Here with Shindy Wendy. And we are at Lake Catherine.
So, we thought it was going to be a nice day out today. And it's not. Well, not even. I can't even lie.
Not as of now, at least. But I mean, it's gloomy, but
It feels nice. But
It's
there's
nice.
no sun.
well, if it was sunny, we'd probably get all like muggy and stuff. It's gonna get all humid.
Yeah, and it was raining all night, so the ground is all smushy.
It's nasty.
Where were they? There's no waterfall. In the ocean.
Well, this is usually turned on. You usually get a little waterfall going here, but there's nothing.
Look at that rock.
They're fake rocks. This little waterfall is man-made. Don't you remember that?
No.
Remember we talked about this?
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
No, we didn't.
Come on, Miss Hiker.
What our life has come to.
So
The only flowers are here.
nice.
The weeds.
Okay. So by the way, for those who don't know where this is at, this is Lake Catherine in Palos Heights. Please,
Sing to them.
I'm gonna do it like Fiona.
Oh my god!
Look at them. They came. Hey, come here. Go fast. About to go for a swim. Why is the lake green? What do you think? Should we go in for a nice little swim? We got the fountain running.
Okay. Yeah, I am.
Alright, I've never tried to skip rocks. I probably never had a childhood. I don't think I can do it. Oh, hell no. I suck, bro. Let's see. Nope. That's it. I'm done. I suck at that. Look at this woman. But if I'm on my phone, she's tripping. Look at her. On her damn phone. Well, she's fixing her businesses, you know. Wow, look at that beautiful view.
What?
You.
I thought you were gonna say something smart. So is that the end of our...
That's the end of our Lake Catherine visit.
What's next?
We still have a lot more to our day, but as
Where are
far
we going
as
next?
as far as the nature walk, that's it for today. We had enough nature. Take care.
Pero yo sé que a la larga el karma todo lo alcanza. Una camioneta blanca pasa llena de muchachas.
Alright guys, so we're here at Plush Horse. We're about to get our ice cream.
Just you.
No way. Pero si me lo cobraron?
They charge you for a junior.
Oh.
Must be nice.
I guess. Look at hers.
So tiny.
The difference, bro. Dang, this one's huge though. It's not even the one right above that one. This
No?
one's like the biggest one, I'm pretty sure. It's a lot.
You want some of mine?
Mm-mm.
I wish we were able to go back to normal.
This kind of sucks.
Okay, guys. We're done with our plush horse.
That shit was amazing.
Where are we going now?
We're gonna go to the mall.
Well, there's a pothole here. What did I tell you? Okay guys, so you guys last saw us at Plush Horse and we made a stop at Walmart to buy some ingredients because we saw something on Twitter and we wanted to recreate it, so here we are. And we are making, what are we making? I'll let you take over.
We are making, you could set it down. So we're gonna make mango smoothies for my 21 plus people, so it's gonna be alcoholic. But you can make it without, right? You can make it? So you're gonna need chamoy. You're gonna need some tajin, which I don't know what we have 2 bottles out for. Tajin, I guess straws, limes. This is my little mixture that I made. I put 2 pieces of lime juice and chamoy and tajin here for the rim of the cup. You're gonna need mangoes, and we put ice in the blender for the smoothie. All right.
And then you brush sugar out because for some reason you want
Yeah, I brush sugar. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know if it's gonna like if it's gonna be good or not. But I think it would be better if we put a little bit of sugar in there, just for the mango.
Okay, so how are you starting it first?
All right. So the first thing I did, like I said, was I made a mixture here for the rim of the cup. I put chamoy, like a few drizzles of chamoy and lime juice, and then on this one the tajin. So we could put the tajin. This goes first. This goes last. So right now I'm grabbing my blender. Put like about half of it with ice. And then I'm gonna put just a few pieces of mango. I've already washed my hands, by the way, right? So put some pieces in here. Cindy, you can be the judge. I don't know how much you think I should put in there. We probably should have put less ice, no?
Yeah. It's okay, we're testing this out.
Yes, we're gonna just, it's a toss up right now. We don't.
If
We're
it
not
comes
literally-
out a fail, we'll still post it.
Yeah, it's still gonna go up. All right. Is that it? No water?
I think you should put a little more. Okay, so I hope that's enough.
Ahí está bien, ¿no?
Yeah.
Poquita agua? No?
No, because the ice is gonna, it's a smoothie, like it's just gonna be smushy, you know?
And I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay? Okay. Cindy's like, ooh. Okay. So you seal it up. And I'm ice crushing. Alright.
Guys, so we forgot to put lemon in there.
Yeah,
we had all these cut up and didn't put it in there, so that's what he's doing now.
tweaking. That's it, alright? Cindy. Our bottle of choice is Don Julio 70. Something like that.
Jose's favorite.
That's my favorite. Okay, so this is gonna go in here. There we go.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, I think you put way too much.
Alright. Alright, so that's it. Okay. So that is done. So now we grab our cups. So this is the lime and the chamoy. It looks so watery. It's gotta put a lot of lime. But that's not even gonna stick.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay.
You put way too much lime.
I did put too much lime. just like that. And then you're gonna put some more chamoy inside. Like that. And then you pour in the delicious mixture.
It looks good.
What you think's anywhere? This
Yeah.
one's for you. Ahí con
That's
eso? Okay. Give it a try.
I'll wait for you.
Okay. That was what, like 5 minutes?
Yeah?
5-10 minutes, give or take.
Come on, let's try it now.
Delicious. Alright,
Okay, guys, taste test.
we're gonna give it a try. Cheers.
I'm scared. This looks actually super good. Not bad for the first time. Dang, that's pretty good. Like you could taste the tequila, like the aftertaste. Like it's not too strong.
It's really subtle. It's not strong. But we didn't put a lot, to be fair. This is really good.
Okay guys, so I guess that concludes the end of today's video. Let us know what you guys think in the comments and give this a try. Because to be honest, it was pretty good and it didn't take too long. So anyway, thanks for watching and make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and we'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye.